Measuring a space for cabinets accurately is crucial for ensuring a proper fit. At Fast Track Cabinets, we offer free kitchen design services, but we need a little information from you before we can get started. Follow these steps to get precise measurements. Print the cabinet measurement form found on the homepage of our website at fasttrackcabinets.com or link to the description below. On a piece of paper, draw a real quick rough sketch of the room. Other than the wall measurements, scale and accuracy are not important here. Choose a starting point and work your way around the room from left to right in a clockwise direction, labeling each wall starting with wall A. Write in wall measurements and draw in the cabinets, appliances, and sink. Try to write clearly so our kitchen designers can decipher the intent. Little notes on the sketch will help our designers know where you would like any special accessories. A quick note: when measuring windows and doors, measure from the outside of trim to the outside of trim. Now, start filling out the cabinet measurement form using the sketch as a reference, but also measuring again to verify everything is accurate. Measure windows, doors, and any other obstructions that may interfere with cabinet placement. Specify your preferred wall cabinet height and tall cabinet height. The top of the wall cabinets, by default, will be the same as the top of the tall cabinets. Enter all the appliance dimensions. By default, if no dimensions are entered here, our designers will use standard sizes. A standard refrigerator fits in a 36-inch wide by 72-inch high opening. Dishwashers are pretty much always 24 inches wide. Freestanding ranges are usually 30 inches wide. A standard 2-bowl kitchen sink is 33 inches wide and will require a 36-inch sink cabinet. Use the additional notes section to write in any notes to help us understand the way you use your kitchen. Let us know if you prefer more or less drawers, roll-out trays, lazy Susans. Well, you get the idea. After you've made your rough sketch and filled out the form, email it to designs@fasttrackcabinets.com, and one of our designers will get right on it. And you should have a 3D sketch along with a floor plan, elevations, and a cabinet list within 24 hours. You can then use that list to shop for cabinets on fasttrackcabinets.com or anywhere else for that matter. But we, of course, think we have the best prices, fastest delivery times, and most comprehensive warranty in the industry, and we are willing to back it up with our lowest price guarantee. That means if you find a lower price anywhere else, we will not only match it, but actually beat it by 5%, even if you've already placed the order. This offer stands for 30 days after your purchase. Our 5-year warranty gives you peace of mind knowing you will be receiving top-quality cabinets. Ready-to-assemble cabinets ship out in 3 business days. Pre-assembled cabinets ship out in 7 to 10 business days. So to recap, free shipping, lowest price, guarantee 5-year warranty, and 3 days to ship. I hope you found this video helpful and will give us the opportunity to provide first-rate cabinetry for your next project. With distribution warehouses in Georgia, Texas, California, Florida, Illinois, Utah, Massachusetts, and Virginia, we can deliver fast!